morning, dear student. Today I am going to explain a new topic of English grammar, that is adjective. So adjective, it means describing words. Okay. So in today's class we will understand adjective definition and kinds of adjective. Okay. So first we will understand what is adjective. So now let's see here, adjective, words which describe the noun or pronoun. It means adjective, it describes noun and pronoun are called adjective or describing words. It means जो noun और pronoun को describe करेगा, that is an adjective. Okay, so adjective are placed before noun and pronoun. Adjective are placed. Adjective कहाँ लिखे जाते हैं? Noun और pronoun के पहले. Okay, so I have given few examples to understand adjective. First example, he wore black jacket. So in this sentence, what is a noun? Yes, jacket. Because as I told you, noun, it means any person name, place name and thing name. So jacket is a thing. Okay. So jacket is a noun and word black, it is an adjective. Why? Because the word black, it is describing the noun jacket. That's why it is an adjective. So black, it is an adjective and jacket, it is a noun. Okay. It is a noun. Next, second, she is sitting in red car. So in this sentence, what is a noun? Yes, car. Car is a noun and word red, it is an adjective. Why? Because color red, it is describing the कार. सो कार एक नाउन है और नाउन और प्रोनाउन को जो डिस्क्राइब करता है वही तो एडजेक्टिव होता है. सो रेड इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ओके. Next, third sentence, baby drinks little milk. Okay, so in this sentence, what is noun? Milk is a noun and word little, it is describing the noun word milk. Okay, that's why little is an adjective. Next example, I have 5 friends. So in this sentence, what is noun? Friends, and word 5, it is an adjective. Why? Because the word 5, it is describing the friends. Okay, so 5 is adjective and friends, it is a noun. Next, she has silky hair. So in this sentence, what is noun? Hairs, this is noun, and silky, it is an adjective. Okay, next 7, Lucky is wearing a colorful outfit. Okay, so what is adjective in this sentence? Colorful. Okay, in next sentence, Rahul is the shortest student in his classroom. Okay. So, shortest, it is an adjective and student, it is a noun, and as I told you, word which describing the noun and pronoun, that will be an adjective. So, I have explained every sentence what is noun and what is adjective. Okay, so I hope now it is clear. Okay, now come to the kinds of an adjective. Okay, so kinds of adjective, so there are 6 kinds of adjective. First is adjectives of quality. Okay, so adjective of quality, it is the first kind. Second, adjectives of quantity. Second is adjectives of quantity. Third is adjective of number. Okay, third is adjective of number. Fourth, possessive, it means possessive adjective. Fourth is possessive adjective and fifth is demonstrative adjective, and next 6 is interrogative adjective. Okay, so there are definition of adjective and these are examples and kinds of adjective. There are 6 kinds of. You will understand all kinds of adjectives. So first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, it means it tell about what kind of. Okay, so these are examples. First, slippery, hard, beautiful, gentle, kind, good, angry, bright, calm, blunt, rich, straight, deep, etc. Okay, so with the help of these examples, we will understand adjective of quality. So in first sentence, the hungry cat are crying. So what is an adjective in this sentence? Yes, hungry. So word cat, it is noun. As I told you before, noun, it means the word hungry, it is describing the word cat. It means how cat is. It means answer is hungry. Okay, so hungry, it is the adjective of example, heavy rain expected in the evening. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, heavy, it is an quality of adjective. Okay, or rain is a noun. Okay, and third is I saw an interesting movie last night. So in this sentence, what is a noun? Noun is a movie. So word interesting, it is describing, it means what kind of movie. It is interesting, it means interesting, it is an adjective of quality. Okay, next, she is wearing a beautiful gown. So in this sentence, what is adjective? Yes, beautiful, it is a quality of adjective. Next, the wise owl, it means how owl is, it means answer is wise, it means wise, it is an adjective of quality. And next, the red rose. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, rose, red is a adjective of quality. So these all are example of adjective of quality. Okay, now come to the next second kind of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. Okay, it means it tell about how much. Okay, it tell us about how much. And quantitative adjectives are used with uncountable nouns. जो भी uncountable nouns होती है उनके साथ में हम कौन सा adjective use करते हैं? Adjective of quantity. Example, little, some, few, many, any, enough, whole, all, half, no, sufficient, etc. Okay, so these examples of adjective of quantity. So one by one I will explain. So first example, some milk. So in this sentence, what is a noun? Noun is milk, and word some, it is describing the milk. It means some is a quality or adjective of quantity. Okay. In second example, few liters of oil left in tank. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, few, because liter को describe क्या कर रहा है? Few. So few is an adjective of quantity. And next, third, I don't have any chocolate in my bag. So chocolate, it means thing. Okay, so noun जो है chocolate है, और noun को जो describe करेगा वो होगा हमारा adjective. So adjective of quantity is any. In fourth sentence, I have sufficient money for shopping. Okay, so in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, sufficient, it is an adjective of quantity. And next fifth sentence is there is enough juice for my breakfast. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, enough, and juice, it is a noun. So noun जो है उसको describe कौन कर रहा है? Enough word. So adjective of quality is enough. Okay, so these all are example of adjective of quantity. It means adjective of quantity, it tell about how much, and adjective of quantity, it tell about what kind of. Okay, so I hope now you have understood adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Third kind of adjective, that is adjective of number. It means it tell about how many. Okay, so adjectives of number is used with countable nouns. It means it is used with countable noun. Countable and uncountable nouns you all know. जिसको हम count कर सकते हैं, it is countable, and if you cannot count the things तो वो uncountable हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so ये जो है adjective number वो use किए जाते हैं countable noun के साथ में. ठीक है, so now I have given few examples. So with the help of these examples, we will understand adjective of number. So first example is they have 3 children. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? 3. Yes, because children, it is a noun, and word 3, it is describing the word noun. That's why 3 is an adjective. Okay, second sentence, I saw 4 cars in showroom. Okay, so in this sentence, what is an adjective? 4. Okay, as I told you, adjective of number tell about how many. It means how many children? 3 children. And next, how many cars? 4 cars. So 4, it is an adjective of number. Next, my friend has 3 kittens. Okay, so in this sentence, what is an adjective? 3. Okay, so this is a adjective of number. Fourth sentence, he scored 33 marks in English. Okay, so in this sentence, what is an adjective? 73. Okay, so next example, she is 10 years old. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, 10, because number it tells how many. Okay, so 10 it is an adjective of number in this sentence. And next 6, I need 2 hours to finish my test. Okay, so in this sentence, what is an adjective? 2, it is an adjective. Okay, because it is describing the noun. Okay. Now come to the fourth kind of adjective, that is possessive adjective. Possessive, it means show possession or ownership. It means किसी चीज को हम बोलते हैं ना, मेरा possession, this is mine, this is yours, this book is mine, and this mobile is mine, this chalk is mine, this blackboard is mine, like that. So possessive adjective shows possession or ownership, and like example, my, mine, yours, their, yours, its, his, her. Okay, so now we will understand adjective of possessive. Yeah, possessive adjective with the help of these examples. First example, this is my house. So in this sentence, what is a possessive adjective? Yes, this is a possessive adjective. Okay. In second example, his car is parked outside. So in this sentence, it is an adjective of possessive. Okay. In third example, our job is almost done. Okay. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, it is a possessive adjective. And next, fourth, her books are interesting. Okay, her books are interesting. So in this sentence, what is an adjective? Yes, her, it is a possessive adjective. So I think you have understood adjective of number and possessive adjective. Adjective of number tell about how many, and possessive adjective, it show possession or ownership. Okay, so these are examples of adjective of number, and these examples for possessive adjective. Okay. Kind of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, it means it point out the noun. Okay, so point out to noun, and demonstrative adjective always comes after the word it modifies. Okay, these are examples of demonstrative adjective: this, that, these, those. Okay, so with the help of these sentence example, we will understand all demonstrative adjectives. So first is, this house is very beautiful. So in this sentence, what is demonstrative adjective? Yes, this is a demonstrative adjective, and word house, it is noun. And second, give me that book. It means that book, it is pointing out the noun book. Okay, so that is a demonstrative adjective in this sentence. Third, can you hold these bags? So in this sentence, what is demonstrative adjective? Yes, these, it is a demonstrative adjective because it is pointing the word noun bag. Okay, and fourth example, those flowers are beautiful. So in this sentence, what is demonstrative adjective? Those. Okay, because it is pointing out the word flower, it is noun. Okay, so I hope now you have understood about all demonstrative adjective. Okay, now come to the six kinds of adjective, that is interrogative adjective. And interrogative adjective are used with noun to ask question, and an interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. And these are examples: what, which, whose. Okay, these are interrogative adjective, and with the help of these sentences as examples, we will understand interrogative adjective. So first example is, whose ball is that? So in this sentence, what is an interrogative adjective? Yes, whose. And ball is a noun. Okay, so second example, which is your car? So in this sentence, which is an interrogative adjective, and car, it is a noun. And third example, what dress are you wearing? So what is a interrogative adjective, and dress, it is noun. Okay, so I think you have understood demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, it pointing out the noun, and interrogative adjective, it is used with noun to ask question. Okay, So this is all about the adjective and kinds of adjective. So students, we have understood kinds of adjective and definition of adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that describe the noun or pronoun. And kinds of adjective: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of numbers, and possessive adjective, and demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective. So I hope now you have understood everything about the adjective. So आज के लिए हम इतना ही करेंगे. Thank you and have a nice day.